Ever pondered about the most breathtaking landscapes in the world? Our planet is a treasure trove of geographical wonders, each more awe-inspiring than the last. From the rugged grandeur of the Grand Canyon, etched over millennia by the relentless Colorado River, to the symmetrical perfection of Mount Fuji, an active stratovolcano that stands as Japan's highest peak. And who could forget the ethereal beauty of the Northern Lights, a celestial ballet of light and color that illuminates the polar skies? These are just a few examples of the natural marvels that grace our world, testaments to the ceaseless forces of nature and time that shape our planet's landscape. In this video, we will take a deep dive into these geographical wonders, exploring their unique characteristics, delving into their histories, and revealing some intriguing facts you may not know. So fasten your seatbelts and adjust your screens. Join us as we embark on this virtual journey, exploring some of the most amazing landscapes our planet has to offer. Immerse yourself in the vast expanse of the Grand Canyon. Known as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon unravels a narrative of Earth's history with its layered walls. It's a geological masterpiece, a testament to the ebb and flow of time itself. The canyon owes its existence to the Colorado River, which has been tirelessly carving its way through the plateau for about 5 million years. This relentless erosion has revealed the vibrant strata of rock, each layer telling a unique chapter of Earth's geological past. The Grand Canyon's formation is a story of uplift and erosion. Around 70 million years ago, the Colorado Plateau began to rise, pushed upwards by tectonic forces. As the plateau lifted, the Colorado River started to carve its path, creating the initial form of the canyon we see today. But the story doesn't end there. The river continued to erode the plateau, deepening and widening the canyon, revealing layer upon layer of ancient rock. The canyon's walls are a geological library. They display a diverse range of rocks, the oldest of which, the Vishnu Schist, dates back nearly 2 billion years. That's almost half the age of our planet. The layers of rock are like pages in a book, each one holding secrets about the Earth's past. From the fossils of ancient marine creatures to the traces of long-gone deserts, the Grand Canyon's rocks tell a tale of a world that looked very different from the one we know today. Now, let's talk size. The Grand Canyon is colossal. It stretches for over 270 miles, a distance so vast it could span the length of the entire state of Rhode Island. Its width varies from about 4 to 18 miles, while its depth reaches over a mile at its deepest point. But the Grand Canyon is more than just a giant hole in the ground. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, home to hundreds of species of plants and animals. Some, like the California condor and the canyon tree frog, are found nowhere else on Earth. The canyon also holds a special significance for the Native American tribes who have called this region home for thousands of years. For the Hopi, Navajo, Zuni, and others, the Grand Canyon is a sacred place, woven into their cultural identity and spiritual beliefs. Its grandeur extends beyond its physical attributes, reaching into the realms of history, culture, and spirituality. The Grand Canyon, a testament to the power of nature, leaves us in awe of its majesty. Its beauty is a reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped our planet and continue to do so. It's a place where we can witness the passage of time etched into the very fabric of the Earth. The Grand Canyon is not just a geographical wonder, it's a symbol of the enduring power and magnificence of nature. Witness the mystique of Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak. This iconic mountain, standing at approximately 12,389 feet, is not just Japan's tallest summit, but also a fascinating geological marvel. Born from the Earth's fiery underbelly, Mount Fuji is an active stratovolcano, a type of volcano known for its layered structure, built up over centuries by repeated eruptions. Its near-perfect cone shape is a result of 3 separate volcanoes stacked one on top of the other. The bottom layer is the Komitake volcano, then the Kafuji volcano, and finally, the Fuji that we see today. This unique geological formation is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. But Mount Fuji isn't just a geographical wonder. It's a spiritual symbol deeply woven into the fabric of Japanese culture. For centuries, it has been a sacred site of pilgrimage, its majestic peak a symbol of immortality and a gateway to another world. It's featured prominently in art and literature, most notably in Katsushika Hokusai's woodblock print series, 36 Views of Mount Fuji. This iconic mountain has inspired countless haikus, songs, and stories, its image ingrained in the collective consciousness of the Japanese people. Mount Fuji is also a centerpiece of many cultural events and festivals. The Yoshida Fire Festival, for instance, is an annual event held at the foot of Mount Fuji to pacify the spirit of the mountain and prevent eruptions. Speaking of eruptions, the last time Mount Fuji erupted was on the 28th of December, 1770. The event, known as the Edo eruption, spewed ash and smoke high into the sky, transforming day into night. Even though nearly 2.5 centuries have passed since that last eruption, volcanologists continue to closely monitor Mount Fuji, as it is still an active volcano. Indeed, the mystique of Mount Fuji is not just in its physical presence, but also in its unpredictability. It's a constant reminder of the Earth's formidable power and our enduring fascination with it. Despite the potential dangers, millions of people each year are drawn to its slopes, whether to climb, to marvel at its beauty, or to find spiritual solace. In every season, Mount Fuji presents a different face. In spring, it's framed by cherry blossoms in full bloom. In summer, it's a popular hiking destination, its trails buzzing with intrepid climbers. In autumn, it stands against a backdrop of vibrant fall colors. And in winter, it's a snow-capped spectacle, its peak often hidden in the clouds. Mount Fuji, with its serene beauty and cultural importance, continues to captivate the hearts of many. From its geological origins to its spiritual significance, from its artistic inspirations to its climatic unpredictability, the mystique of Mount Fuji is truly a geographical wonder worth exploring. Experience the magic of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or as scientists call them, the Aurora Borealis. This mesmerizing spectacle dances across the night sky in an array of colors that seem almost impossible, painting the heavens with strokes of green, purple, yellow, blue, and red. But what exactly causes this celestial ballet? The Northern Lights are a result of a fascinating space weather phenomenon. Our sun, a hotbed of activity, constantly ejects particles into space, creating what we call solar winds. As these solar winds reach Earth, they interact with the magnetic field surrounding our planet. The charged particles then collide with gases in our atmosphere, resulting in a release of energy in the form of light. This light, my friends, is what we know as the magical Northern Lights. The best viewing locations for this spectacle are typically near the magnetic poles, in the Arctic and Antarctic regions. Countries like Norway, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, and Canada offer some of the best seats in the house. But it's not just about the location. The time of year also plays a crucial role. Winter months, especially between September and March, are prime time for Northern Lights viewing. The longer nights and clear, cold skies provide ideal conditions for the lights to shine their brightest. Now let's talk about those captivating colors. You might be wondering why the Northern Lights display such a varied color palette. Well, it all comes down to the type of gas particles colliding with the solar winds. Oxygen, at higher altitudes, gives off a green hue, the most common color of the Northern Lights. At extremely high altitudes, oxygen can also produce a rare, deep red light. Nitrogen, on the other hand, produces blue or purplish red hues. The height at which these collisions occur also affects the color dispersion, creating the layered effect we often see in photographs. The Northern Lights are not just a spectacle for the eyes, but they also hold cultural significance for many indigenous communities. For centuries, these lights have been a source of awe and reverence, inspiring countless myths and legends. Some believed they were the spirits of their ancestors, while others saw them as omens. Today, we know the science behind the phenomenon, but it doesn't make it any less magical or awe-inspiring. The Northern Lights are more than just a natural wonder. They are a testament to the dynamic and complex processes happening beyond our Earth, reminding us of our place in the cosmos. They are a symbol of the beautiful yet mysterious nature of our universe, and every time they dance across the sky, they tell a story of solar winds, magnetic fields, atmospheric gases, and the infinite wonders of space. The Northern Lights, nature's most spectacular light show, never cease to amaze us. Why do these geographical wonders matter, you might ask? They're not just breathtaking vistas or postcard-perfect scenes. These geographical wonders hold a larger significance that extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. Firstly, let's consider biodiversity. These geographical wonders are often home to a vast array of unique species, some of which can be found nowhere else on the planet. For instance, the Grand Canyon is a refuge for over 400 bird species, 23 types of reptiles, and 91 species of mammals, including the elusive mountain lion. And it's not just about the wildlife. These places also host an incredible variety of plant life, from the resilient cacti of the Grand Canyon to the endemic alpine plants of Mount Fuji. Then there's tourism. These natural wonders draw people from all corners of the globe, eager to witness their majesty firsthand. This influx of visitors brings economic benefits to the surrounding communities, providing jobs and supporting local businesses. The Grand Canyon, for instance, draws close to 6 million visitors a year, making it a significant source of income for the state of Arizona. But perhaps the most profound significance of these geographical wonders is their cultural heritage. Many of these places hold deep spiritual and historical significance for indigenous communities and have been integral to their stories and traditions for thousands of years. Mount Fuji, for example, has been a sacred site in Shinto belief since ancient times, and it continues to inspire Japanese art and literature even today. So you see, these geographical wonders are not just stunning landscapes. They are living, breathing ecosystems that support a remarkable range of life. They are economic engines that power local communities. They are sacred sites that carry the weight of centuries of human history and cultural heritage. These geographical wonders are not just beautiful landscapes, but they are also crucial to our planet's health and cultural richness. So next time you marvel at a photo of the Grand Canyon, the Northern Lights, or Mount Fuji, remember, you're looking at much more than just a pretty picture. From the vast expanse of the Grand Canyon to the mystique of Mount Fuji and the magic of Northern Lights, we've journeyed through some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes. These geographical wonders, with their unique features and fascinating stories, have undoubtedly left us in awe of the world we inhabit. The Grand Canyon, a colossal chasm carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, is a testament to the power of natural forces. Its layered bands of red rock reveal an incredible history of geological evolution, making it a paradise for geologists and nature lovers alike. Then we ventured to the other side of the globe, to the sacred Mount Fuji in Japan. This near-perfect volcanic cone, with its snow-capped peak and surrounding sea of trees, is a sight to behold. Mount Fuji isn't just an iconic symbol of Japan, but also a spiritual site, inspiring artists and poets for centuries. And who could forget our trip to the Arctic Circle to witness the ethereal Northern Lights? This celestial display of swirling greens, pinks, and purples, created by solar particles colliding with the Earth's atmosphere, is truly one of nature's most spectacular shows. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, is not just a visual treat, but a reminder of our planet's intricate relationship with the sun. Each of these geographical wonders tells a unique story about our planet's history and the forces that shape it. They remind us of the vastness, beauty, and complexity of the Earth we call home. But our journey doesn't have to stop here. There is so much more to learn about these and other spectacular landscapes across the globe. Take the Grand Canyon, for example. Did you know that it's home to over 1,000 species of plants and hundreds of species of birds? Or that Mount Fuji's last eruption was back in the early 18th century, and it is still an active volcano today? And the Northern Lights, they aren't just confined to the Arctic Circle. Similar phenomena occur near the South Pole, known as the Aurora Australis. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered about these geographical wonders. And the best part? You don't have to be a geologist or a scientist to delve into it. There are countless resources, books, documentaries, and even virtual tours that can help you further explore these landscapes and their fascinating histories. So let's continue this journey of discovery together. Let's dive deeper into the mysteries these geographical wonders hold. Let's learn more about our planet and appreciate it in all its glory. Remember, our planet is full of wonders waiting to be explored, so go out, learn, and appreciate these spectacular landscapes. Until next time, explore more, learn more.